Hi everyone, it's Dr. Dave, and I am coming to you with a quick video blurb. So I every day read the newspaper and I read a couple of scientific journals, usually cardiology related. And what I've been noticing, especially with COVID-19, is that the scientific journals will present information and then the media channels will take that information and twist it or exaggerate it or maybe even misinterpret the studies. I don't know if it's just an innocent mistake or they're trying to gather more attention and make people scared and upset so that they watch them and follow them more often. But a perfect example is this class of medicines called ACE inhibitors. When COVID-19 first came out, or first was prevalent, or was more prevalent, this idea of people who were taking ACE inhibitors being higher risk for COVID-19 infection and death was scary. And people were stopping their medicines because of what they were hearing based on the media. What's really interesting is fast forward to October, and there are multiple studies that I'm reading on how ACE inhibitors may actually be protective against COVID-19. So how do we go from ACE inhibitors being scary and we need to stop them versus ACE inhibitors being protective? The point is, when studies come out and the media grabs that information, I think we need to take a step back. We need to chillax. We need to chill out and relax and speak with our healthcare professional about what's going on. Rather than rushing to do things or taking it upon yourself to make changes, take a step back, take a deep breath, call your doctor, your healthcare provider, and discuss it with them. Okay, I'm sure this is not going to be the end of this theme where we have scientific studies coming out and then the social media or maybe even the politicians take that and use it to their advantage. So let's all think critically, let's take a step back, let's relax, and let's get the information from our healthcare providers. Okay, everyone, until next time, this is Dr. Dave.